One of my favorite ChatGPT features is the ability to automatically check spelling. This is exactly what you need to keep spelling mistakes at a fair distance. So, if you no longer want the typos to come in the way of your conversation with the AI chatbot, this guide is for you. That said, let me show you how to make ChatGPT app check spelling automatically on your Mac the right way. So first off, you have to open the ChatGPT app on your Mac. Now click on your profile at the bottom left corner of the screen and then select the settings option in the menu. Now head over to the app section and then ensure that the switch next to correct spelling automatically is enabled, and that's about it. Going forward, ChatGPT app will automatically check spelling so that you can easily find the mistakes and correct them. Despite the cutthroat competition from the likes of Google Gemini, Copilot, Meta AI, and Apple Intelligence, ChatGPT has managed to stay ahead of the curve. Boasting a massive database, the openai chatbot is versatile and exceptionally efficient. That said, what do you think of ChatGPT? It would be great to know your thoughts about the AI chatbot and whether or not you think it is the best in the market right now. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.